Hi guys, my name is Govind Chandak and I'm the business head of NSDM India. We're a premium digital marketing and data science training company offering both online and offline modes of learning. So guys, today we are going to talk about how to retain your digital marketing clients. Trust me, as the Pilot Funnel says, that acquisition is easy, retention is difficult. And I've worked with 27 plus iconic brands across geographies and across industries. It becomes really important to retain your clients. So for you, I have put together all my learnings at one place and sharing all the insights which will surely help you to retain your clients and drive better business. I have divided this video into two parts. One is your external clients, which is your customers or your stakeholders. And the other one is your internal clients, which is your teammates, which drives and fosters your business. So if you're facing issues to retain your clients, make sure that you are watching this video till end. So let's get started. So guys, the question number one comes, how do you figure out that the client is going to leave you or he is not happy from you? The best signal that you can get to mark this up is the communication. If the client has stopped picking up your phone or he is not responding to your emails or calls, or might be he is not taking up any kind of updates, or might be not looking for a long-term path, etc. If there is a miss in the communication, then you should have a signal that something is wrong. You should go ahead and speak to your client and figure out everything. Number one is look at your business from 100th floor, not from the 0th floor. Trust me guys, you need to broaden your perspective. Do not run after short-term profits. Always have a long-term vision. It will surely help you to drive the profitability and the sustainability of the business. You might be taking decisions by looking at the situation around corona pandemic, but what after this? How are you going to drive it? Are you aware about what changes need to be done on your website? What is the things that you need to get into your media mix? What is the communication that you need to send out to your customers? Make sure that whatever things that you are sending out your brand, it should not hamper your long-term vision or your long-term sustainability. The second point and very important point is about do not lie or bluff to your client. I have seen a lot of times where digital marketing associates bluff to their clients because the client might not understand all the matrix around it, or they might not understand the analytics around the business. Trust me, this is the biggest mistake that you are doing. Do not lie or bluff to your clients. The business is their own baby. They know better than you. They're managing their business from last so many years. The third thing is about educating your client. I have seen so many times the client says the remark, say, Govind, how did you do this? You should educate your client, help them in understanding the digital marketing in much better way if they are not coming from that background. See, educating, you might have a thought in your mind, okay, if I educate everything to my client, they will do everything on their own. No, they cannot. You are the expert. They don't have time to manage all of this. They don't have the resources. They don't have the talent required. That's why they have onboarded you. So, my dear associates, please help educate your client. It is going to ease your life in the long run. Because every time you don't need to understand the client, what is CPC or what is CTR or the basic metrics that you are following, or what is an LTV, etc. The fourth thing is keeping your client updated. See guys, if you are facing this thing that your client is asking you, what are the updates, what are the things going on, how are we planning ahead? No, this is a sheer wrong understanding. It should be the reverse way. You should keep on updated. Send them daily reports, weekly reports, monthly reports, etc. Keep this guys understanding the emergency. So a lot of times client says that, okay, this is urgent, please do it for me. This is urgent, please do it for me. So please understand the urgency of the client and help them deliver that. But at the same time, keep them updated that if you are picking on something on an urgent basis, that you are deprioritizing the other things if you don't have the bandwidth. Because if you are not saying them, that the client might be in an understanding that you are doing both of the things simultaneously. At the same time, taking everything on an urgent basis is also a bad idea, because a lot of times the client says this is also urgent, this is also urgent. Every time he says urgent. This is also a bad idea. In case if you are facing these issues, take help from your seniors to escalate it, or they can talk to the client, or help the client, or devise a way that you can also help understanding the client that everything cannot be done on an urgent basis because the things takes time. So this is all depends upon your human skills. The last thing I want to focus on, developing a little personal relations with client. See what happens guys, sometimes you have both of the news, a good news or a bad news. We give good news with immense joy and pleasure, but what about bad news? If you have done a mistake, If something went wrong, if the things that you have planned has been gone for a toss, then what? Then the client's pool will completely depend on the kind of personal relationship you have with them. And you need to focus on that, because your client point of contact is the only guy who is going to save you in front of their CES. So make sure that you are having having a little personal relationship with the client, at the same time not crossing the professional limits. So guys, I hope this video has helped you to understand how to retain your digital marketing clients. Make sure that you are following these strategies and helping your clients to stick with you, so that day on day you can scale them. Please share this video among your digital marketing associates, and like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, as I help you with 2x growth videos every week. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe.